Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm sitting down and filming my July favorites. I cannot believe it's already the end of July. Caleb and I have just moved. I think right after you're seeing this, we have moved. I'm like pre-filming right now and I just cannot believe it. So we're going to be in South Carolina. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So let's get started. Okay, so I tried to round up all of my favorite products this month. Honestly, I haven't been experimenting with a lot of new products. A lot of these products are things I've fallen back in love with. I do have some new things to share with you guys though. So let's get started. The first thing I want to mention is so exciting because this is the bareMinerals Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. So I actually was lucky enough to do a video shoot with them, and I was like basically the person on Sephora's website. If you go to the Blemish Rescue products, the brush, and the mattifying primer, I'm in the video for all of those, so that's like really exciting. So I do honestly really love this foundation. This is not sponsored at all. I just really love this foundation. It's so nice because it has like salicylic acid in it to help clear your acne as well. So I know that it's not harming my skin while I'm wearing it, and I just love the finish of it. It covers really nice. This is basically what I've been wearing like every day, day-to-day foundation type of thing. So it's beautiful. So now since we're like done with that, let's go on to what I've been applying my foundation with when I'm not wearing that foundation. So I got sent some things from Sigma, and this is the F80 foundation brush. I am in love with this, you guys. Like really in love with it. I don't know why I have never ordered it. Everybody always talks about it, and I was always kind of like, is it really that much better than my like e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, all that kind of stuff. I still love that brush too, but this one just blends everything out beautifully, flawlessly. Doesn't make anything look cakey. It is just one of the best brushes I have ever used for a foundation, and I highly recommend checking it out. There's just something about how this brush like spreads foundation on the skin. I don't know, it's just like really beautiful, and I do like how it's a flat top brush. It still blends everything beautifully, and it's just, I love it so much. Okay, now we're going to talk about brows, what I've been using on my brows all the time lately. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Gosh, I can't speak today. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So I used to use this all the time back in the day. I have mine in the shade Brunette right now, and this is what is through my brows right now, as well as a little bit of Essence brow gel. Such a good brow pencil. I forgot how much I liked this because I've been using a bunch of other things. I make such great little lines without being too creamy, too pigmented. It just like really goes on there like brow hairs, and I can outline and make them look real. It's just a great brow pencil if you're looking for something from the drugstore. I highly recommend this. I always end up going back to it, and it becomes my favorite again. So love this. Okay, next thing I've been wearing for highlight non-stop. This is what I have on my cheekbones right now, and what I've been wearing like all the time lately. I have my everyday makeup bag here next to me, and I just pull things out of there most of the time, especially lately since we're getting ready to move and everything. So I'm going to be packing up my makeup really soon. So this is the Col-lab Beauty Highlighter in the shade Uncensored. You guys, this is stunning. Like I said, it's what's on my cheeks right now. I love it because I can get like a super blinding highlight with it, and it also is like a beautiful shade for my skin tone. It's like that golden, almost champagne shade. It just has that undertone that works really good for my skin tone, so it doesn't look like a strip of gold on my skin, but it still has that yellowy undertone, so it kind of mixed with my skin. That's what I really like about most highlights, is it kind of looks like your skin, but then obviously has reflex. So it is seriously the most stunning thing ever, and I love putting this on, and then I'll take my blush brush and just make sure to blend it so there's not like a harsh line of highlight, and then I'll go in with a sponge and dab over it so it's not like too intense. But if you want a really intense highlight, this will definitely give it to you, and it's so beautiful. I really love this highlight. Okay, the next thing is what I have on my lashes right now. I also have the Maybelline Big Shot mascara on as well. I kind of layered them. but I forgot how much I liked this mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I've been using this for years now. I go off and on again with using this mascara. I go to, obviously, my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, my Big Shot from Maybelline, all that kind of stuff, and I don't like to have too many mascaras open at one time because obviously you can't go through them all, and then they end up drying up and all that kind of stuff, and then I get in ruts because I know what I like, you know? So I remembered to pick this up again, and it is such a beautiful mascara. So it has a different wand than the other ones. I feel like it's a little bit skinnier. It does still have those like micro, that's what it's called, bristle brush, and I really like that versus like something with a rubber brush. So like this one, the Big Shot, L'Oreal Lash Paradise, they all have those type of brushes. I just feel like it gives the most volume. This one also lengthens way more than the other two I was mentioning. That's why I like to layer it with the, sorry, I have a hair. That's why I like to layer it with the Maybelline Big Shot mascara because it really layers well with this one. I can get volume and I can get length, and this one does give you some volume, but it's a little bit harder to build up the volume. I feel like I have to do a coat, wait for it to dry a little bit, and then go again because this one's a little bit more like watery, liquidy consistency. But I love this mascara so much, especially for layering, and it's so inexpensive that you might as well just get it, you know? Okay, so the last product I want to mention is something I picked up somewhat recently from Pixi. What did I do to my hair? Something that I picked up somewhat recently from Pixi. This is their Makeup Fixing Mist. So I've talked about the Glow Mist, I think is what it's called, and then also the Hydrating Milky Mist. I love both of those so much. Love them so much. So I was like, I have to try the Makeup Fixing Mist and see what it's all about. So I do really like this. If you have never used a Pixi mister, like, it is stunning. Like, it's just the most gentle of sprays. Gorgeous. This one has rose water and green tea in it. They always have like good for your skin ingredients in them, and I really like this one because it does set my makeup more than the Glow Mist or the Hydrating Milky Mist. Those are more just for like hydrating your makeup and stuff like that, or giving yourself a really good glow. This one I feel like sets my makeup, but I also get a nice dew from it. So like this on my chin right now is not highlighter. This is literally just from this product, and I'm wearing the Flower Beauty foundation, and that one I feel like, you know, is a little bit more glowy anyway, but this sets my makeup beautifully, and it also like gives myself a little bit of a glow. So if you feel like the Glow Tonic is too much or the Hydrating Milky Mist doesn't like set your makeup, I would say try this one too. I really like all three of them for setting my makeup or like spraying after I do my makeup. I feel like they melt the product into my skin really well. So yeah, I really like this, and I highly recommend picking it up. So, all right, you guys, that is it for this video. It's short and sweet. I don't like to make too long of favorites videos, especially at like this point when I haven't been trying a ton of new products lately. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel down below. It really helps my channel out and allows me to continue making videos for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a video very soon. Bye, guys.